Hello everyone, Joshua here. Today I'm gonna try and attempt to disassemble the GBA-800, specifically the Everlast collaboration, because this is the only model that I have on hand. And while at it, I'm gonna be wearing this GWQ-1000, also an NADG G-Shock watch, which I already disassembled before, including this GW-6100 vintage G-Shock watch with thermometer sensor built in, which I already disassembled before as well. So today's video is gonna be pretty special. Okay, let's stop this over here for a bit and let's have a quick look at what we have. This will be the backplate with the piezoelectric speaker with all those engraving or laser edge lettering. This wing, apparently it is light gray instead of white. If you look really closely, there it is, light gray, white. So they are different tones, something that I just learned only by disassembling the watch. And this will be the interior as far as the module, fully filled in every gap in there. And that is a sign of quality in my opinion. The O-ring looks still really good. And looking at the lettering, it is indeed Kaosu Japan made engine, even though I believe the backplate states otherwise. It states here Japan movement cased in Thailand, but well, the engine is actually Japan, so that's good, right? So no jewels in there, and all the codes for Bluetooth capabilities. AC operation will be accessed over there. To take the engine out is fairly easy, just pull it like that, there you go. Okay, the engine is small, the watch is small, look at that. It is a small watch. Just imagine you put in some metal, a stainless steel case around it with 4 buttons on the side and the strap down here. It could easily be a 30mm watch, even less. But yeah, but then you're gonna need to sacrifice all this padding, all this construction that makes the watch tough. So there's the ups and downs with G-Shock, you know. If you want something tough, you gotta sacrifice this size, gotta make it bigger. Okay, now I'm gonna disassemble this whole module, the engine. Oh, hold on, before I get to that, let's light up the LED and see how it goes. Oh, really cool. And then I'll show you guys one by one for all the parts that made up this module alone. Let's get started. Finally, all of them have been disassembled as far as these tiny little parts. I'm pretty sure I could reassemble all of this back fairly easily because I've done this before, but for sake of the video, let me show you guys things that got me surprised, makes the watch different compared to any DG models that I disassembled before. Firstly would be this part over here. This is called the light diffuser, where when you turn on the LED, one over here and one over here will disperse the light evenly throughout the digital display, which is great. And I learned that the backlighting logo apparently was a sticker on the back of this display panel. So that's how it works. If you want to change that, you're gonna need to scrape that sticker out, and then you could change to something else. This will be the other display, the one that show you the step tracker, the graph, the animations and all. This will be the compartment, display panel compartment, that's alongside with the LED lights that Casio use on this watch, which is similar to most G-Shock watch, but somehow the one on this model happened to be a lot brighter, probably because of the circuit board design. Something in here that makes the watch works really efficiently and lights up the LED really well compared to other models. And by looking at over here, you can see that it is very complicated, and it has two separate display panel compartment connector over here, or ribbon. And I have a feeling either one of this is the Bluetooth unit. One should be for connecting, one for the processing unit. Either one of this. This one usually the processor for every other function, like the stopwatch, chronograph, timer, and all those. You have the capacitor over there, quite a few of them. It looks really promising. It looks like it could last a long time. So far everything is really good. Nothing that's too weird, nothing that looks fragile. You guys got to keep in mind, you'll have these two springs over here for the LED lights, so do not lose this if you are trying to disassemble the watch. Oh, by the way, I don't think this video will be for everyone, not right now since the watch is new, but I'm very sure over the years, probably 5 to 10 years from now, usually if you beat your G-Shock watch, probably, I mean, the warranty is already out. If anything ever happened, at least you could revisit this video back and have a look what you guys could do to fix your G-Shock watch on your own, if it even came to that. So this is all the things you could do. I mean, even if you just want to customize your G-Shock watch, at least this is the way to do it. If you want to change the gear, if you want to customize the hands, if you want to remove this lettering on the watch faceplate, you could do that as well. Just follow along the this video and then you should be good to go. So far so good, not as complicated. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your participation on this GBA-800 Everlast giveaway. If you haven't entered that one yet, please do. Link will be available down in the description box. And good luck, guys. If you're watching this in the future, probably the giveaway is already ended, so stay tuned for other one that will be coming soon. Okay, thank you very much for watching. This is Jesh F, and I'm